In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix camera not working on Samsung phone. It's the best method, so if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So if you're using a Galaxy S26 Ultra and your camera hangs or lags while taking 24 megapixel close-up shots, Samsung's actually confirmed a bug where the camera processing pipeline stalls if you frame a shot at 2 times zoom but wait too long to press the shutter. So what you want to do is take a photo immediately after framing, and then also just go and see if there's a software update on your phone, because that should help. And if the app opens and immediately closes, its temporary memory is likely corrupted. So what you want to do is press the long press on the camera icon, which is on the bottom, then press the I button next to it. Scroll down and go over to storage, and then what we want to do is clear the cache, then try and open the camera again, and it should definitely work. And if that still doesn't work, press clear data on the bottom left. Now this is going to reset your camera settings, but then that should 100% work. And many social media and AI apps keep the camera active in the background, preventing the main app from opening. So open any recent apps and swipe out of all apps. And what you could also do is check permissions. So go over to your settings again, then scroll down until you find privacy. Now, once you found privacy, all you got to go ahead and do is make sure that if there's anything that, doesn't have a certain permission, like let's say I go over to my apps, and then let's say I want to go over to something like Gemini, and then I want to go to permissions, which is the second option. As you can see, there's no permissions currently allowed. So what I want to do is give it camera access, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, obviously, you can do that for any application that actually needs the camera. So let's say I went to something like Instagram instead, then I went to permissions, and then I went over and changed the permissions.